We'll guide you through how to remove vector node in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome to locate the browser application on your device. Once the search results appear, open Google Chrome. After the browser launches, click the URL bar, enter Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account so you can access your files and projects without interruption. For this tutorial, choose one of your recent projects from the dashboard. After selecting the project, the edit page of your project will open and display all the layers and design elements available for editing. Next, locate and choose the vector layer from which you want to remove a vector node. Once you have identified the correct vector layer, double-click it to enter vector editing mode. This will allow you to directly access and modify the individual nodes that make up the vector shape. After entering edit mode, tap on the specific node that you want to delete. Make sure the correct node is selected before continuing, as the next action will permanently remove it from the vector path. With the node selected, press Shift+Delete on your keyboard. The node you selected will be deleted without breaking or deleting the object itself, allowing the vector shape to remain intact while removing only the chosen point. If there are additional nodes that you need to remove, repeat the same process by selecting another node and pressing Shift+Delete again. Continue doing this until all unnecessary nodes have been removed from the vector layer. Once you're satisfied with the changes and no further adjustments are needed, close the Edit view to exit vector editing mode and return to the standard project workspace. This completes the process successfully.